Like kam kowe po merang Eastern West Hill ketulop kadai arpsan aja. College pun dibiro kejing tip nam ta kubor like kam te ngap ba gitu ku kwa on apply ne ki belong eligible nam ta kane pus advertisement for work in interview kadai direct interview kane de po office of the district and session judge West Hill district noston and Eastern West Hill Mairang makane bede kandai po Mairang Eastern West Hill Mairang. Application standard form are hereby invited from interested candidate. Pila ban pendap lembaga standard form mo kan mo. Pila ban sit nang dukan gidon bay. Who are citizen of India for appearing in work interview for the contractual post of technical staff for live streaming of code proceeding. Muna ban pen live ya ka jing ya long iyo po ka code te pen live ya kata ka kam. In the subdivisional code Eastern West Hill district Mairang ka po Mairang. Kapus name gade technical staff for live streaming of code proceeding. Tangkawe kapus qualification gade BSc Computer Science or IT, BSc Computer Science and BSc IT. Lane BCA or its equivalent with 55 percentage, some percentage aggregate marks. Candidate should have a minimum typing speed of 40 words per minute. Hadu 4 words per minute kimendannya ka typing speed. Asnem kat pra hadu arpenyo te plus on snem dekan debit kat pra hadu live asnem katulok pada arpsan hajar sibenai. Desirous candidate having requisite qualification and fulfilling other eligibility condition may appear for the work interview. Kibala dan long eligible kila appear amna kaneka work interview and submit their fill up application in standard form with 2 passport photogram, self-attested copies of their qualification certificate including proof of age, CST certificate in original in support of their qualification, experience as well as no objection certificate lala day lupa from the present employer if engaged in the government. Along with self-addressed stamp envelope, have tit kata self-addressed stamp envelope ru with complete address, berka address ke bro, haban tho kita bro, pin code, phone number, email ID on the envelope. The sub divisional code Eastern West Hill district Mairang at 10 AM on 6 June. Have tit envelope ru, have done comes to stamp ru, sabu lang ta. On the 6 June 2025, an application will be accepted only till 10:30 AM. Ka sidru tarik June kan mau hadu spo stengin accept ya ka application te sekamo kadika work interview te bisa balik kam kloy submit aga tugas ngihi then bisa la submit ban select kata interview. Note EDA will be paid to candidate attending the interview te kadebe purely contractual bet te kibayo stui te sekamo kada interview tarik June nam ta kane te tangine kijing tip tulis